Good morning, everyone. I'm Sloppy, and real quick, short video. Just wanted to go through how to fix your Sea of Thieves in-game voice chat. I know a lot of people are having trouble with this, and one of the big things that I noticed is that this window here, that if you search it, doesn't give you everything. But we are going to run through this as well. So this is specifically going to be on Windows version of Sea of Thieves. So, first thing you want to do is close the game, go to your start menu, type privacy. If I can figure out how to do that. Go into your privacy settings, go down to microphone, and this is the section you're looking for, which is which Microsoft Store apps can access your microphone. You're going to scroll down and look for Sea of Thieves and make sure that is clicked on. Ultimately, and if you do have Sea of Thieves Insider, you want to make sure that's turned on too. Those are the two things it says to look for. Sea of Thieves and Sea of Thieves Insider, which I don't have. So, Sea of Thieves, I'm going to go ahead, make sure my Xbox stuff is turned on as well, just in case it needs to sort of piggyback off of that. Looks good to me. Now, if you're like me, you've done this. You've done this over and over. Over and over and over. You can see the microphone emblem lighting up in the corner, but it's not enough. What you got to do, just as easy, disable your VPN. I know that's annoying. I know that's horrible. But realistically, if you want to talk in game, it's not that big of a deal. Just disable your VPN and you're going to have far less issues trying to get your in-game audio, in-game voice chat to work. Personally, I would say keep the VPN on and just use Discord. But if you really do want to talk in game so you can talk to other crews or whatever, that's what worked for me. If that doesn't work when you get into the game the first time, make sure you hit reset to default on everything and then reconfigure. I know it sucks, but reconfigure your keybinds, your directional sound, all that jazz, and then it should work. The game has a hard time for some reason switching between audio devices, so anytime I switch between my headphones to my speaker to a different set of headphones with the game open, I have to click reset defaults. So, first off, check the support page, go to your privacy tab, and under Microsoft Store apps, click the box to allow Sea of Thieves and Sea of Thieves Insider to use your microphone. Then disable your VPN. Then, if all of that doesn't work and no one can hear you still, reset your default settings inside Sea of Thieves and possibly restart the game. I hope this helped somebody, and everyone have a great day.